In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Oanda in Tradingview. By the end, you'll know how to connect your Oanda account to Tradingview, view your charts, and place trades directly from the platform if your account supports it. First, make sure you're set up with the right accounts. You'll need a Tradingview account, either free or paid, and a live Oanda trading account, typically a CFDs or TMS Connect type. Keep in mind that demo accounts don't always support full live trading integration, and availability can vary by region. If you're unsure which account type you have, check with Oanda before you proceed. Next, head over to tradingview.com and sign in with your Tradingview credentials. Once you're on the main chart screen, look toward the bottom of the interface for the trading panel. Click it to open the broker list. This is where Tradingview displays all supported broker connections in one place. Find Oanda in that list and select Connect or Trade next to its logo. A secure login window will open. Enter your Oanda email and password privately and complete any additional verification, like two-factor authentication, if prompted. You may see options such as a one-key login or a login specific to Oanda EU or TMS clients. Choose the option that matches your account's region and type so Tradingview links to the correct server. If Oanda doesn't appear, it can be a regional limitation or an account type mismatch. After you're connected, navigate to Products at the top and choose Supercharts. This takes you into Tradingview's full charting interface with your Oanda connection active. You'll still have access to all your indicators, drawing tools, and layouts, but now you can trade directly from the chart. To place a trade from the chart, right-click on the price area, hover over Trade, and select Create New Order, or open the trade panel at the bottom. Choose the order type you want. Market orders fill immediately at the current price. Limit orders aim for a better price, and stop orders trigger once price reaches your specified level. Set your quantity and add a stop loss and take profit to manage risk and targets right on the chart. When you're ready, click Buy or Sell to execute. With the connection active, use the Tradingview panel to view open trades, pending orders, and overall positions. You can drag stop loss and take profit lines on the chart for quick adjustments, or close a trade directly from the position line. If your Oanda profile includes multiple live sub-accounts, use the account drop-down in Supercharts to switch between them before placing any orders, ensuring you're trading in the correct account.